What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog with all my fabs. Like you guys already know, in the other video on my intro, I told you guys how I got into the truck scene, how I got the help from my dad and all that stuff. So así ya saben quién soy más o menos. We're gonna get to know each other little by little as we go. So ya saben un poquito de mí. On the intro I told you guys lo que les dije, ¿eh? Entonces today we're gonna be welding, not fabricating, you can call that. Today we're gonna be welding the heim joints on the lean bars for my F-150, and then eventually we're gonna get to welding also the tabs that I cut for the frame. These are gonna be on the frame, and then we got other tabs that we ordered. They were laser cut with the help of my boy Roddy Fabs. Shout out to my boy for doing those cuts, special cuts that I needed for the axle. Eventually I'll show you guys those as well. So today, like I said, we're going to be, first of all, let me fix this real quick. First of all, we're going to be grinding off some meat. Hay que darle jodidazo ya. Vamos a ponernos a soldar. Y ya con el futuro, later on in the future, we're going to be uploading videos working on this baby. Aquí atrásito. Esta es la que le puse todo el pride y gracias a Dios todo salió bien. Aquí está un poquito. Está aquí mi garage. Está herida. She's been down like for 6 months, all because I wanted to do a burnout. So yeah, enough said. Let's get to welding, or más bien hay que empezar a hacer grind. So let's get to it, guys. First of all, we got to get safety glasses. And since it's a little cold out there, está haciendo frillito, mi suéter, y te protege de las quemaduras también. So the sweater helps out a lot, not to be from burning yourself with the grinder. Let's get to it. So guys, as easy as that, así de facilito. Ya le quité lo que tenía que quitarle. Hay que enseñarles un poquito bien a todo alrededor para poder así sentar y tener suficiente. Al rato ya la voy a nivelar y le voy a poner suficiente para que quede todo bien. Ahora lo que vamos a hacer ahorita, guys, vamos a nivelar. We're going to plumb this, the heim joint. We're going to plumb it to the link bar para que quede bien el trabajo. Let me put it on this side so you guys can see. No quiere. Se está poniendo nervioso el vice también. A ver, así. Pues vamos a ponerla. Y una cosita que puede ayudar también es a nivelarla de lado. Ahí está, guys. Dejen enseñarles. Hay que ponerla a nivel. Eso nos ayuda más en muchas cosas, así para no perder las medidas ni los ángulos que necesitamos tener. So let's not forget to try our best to plumb it so we won't lose our angles or our measurements. So now let me plumb the heim joints. It's gonna be real quick, guys. Así de fácil es como se hacen estas cosas. Tienes que motivarse según, no dejarse llevar del que no puedo, tú no sabes. Esas cosas no existen para una persona que quiere seguir adelante. So, vamos a darle más. Guys, we are done welding one link bar. Y aquí está el resultado. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit. You know, in order for you to do a beautiful long straight welds non-stop, you gotta have that little machine that rotates slowly. But since the welds are strong, there's a lot of connections, I know, but they're thick and strong. We got one link bar done, guys, and that's all I'm gonna show you guys because it's gonna get a little bit too boring. So I'll do the next one sin grabar, y on the next video I'm going to show you guys how to install the tabs that I showed you guys earlier or the other day, and if I haven't, they're right here. I believe I showed you at the beginning. So in the next video todo este casco que traigo, este greñero, guys. Pero no se preocupen, para la otra, we're gonna be welding, and our videos are gonna keep getting more interesting. So thank you guys for sticking around, and que tengan un buen día y puro para adelante. Thank you guys.